Morning, everybody. There's our proud lady sitting in the window. She's waiting a bit before she goes to get her breakfast. David. Hi, David. How are you? Was it delicious? Was your breakfast delicious? Oh, excuse you. You got your new monkey? This is the monkey that his BFF Violet gave him. Yeah, let me see it. You don't want to share your monkey. Oh, there's Shelly. Shelly, you think your brother's crazy. Shelly's waiting to go outside. Of course, so's David. She's the sticky girl in the morning. So, anyway, we'll see you later. Shelly's getting a drink. David's playing, and I'm gonna make some coffee. Bye.